Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact support on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to contact support. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to contact support, you need to tap on this three lines icon at the top right corner first. Now you'll see a different menu list. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see the support option at the bottom. Tap on it. It will redirect you to the website of Bingo Blitz. In this page, you can see Contact Our Support Team option over here. So you can tap on it. So this will open up the Help Center page of Bingo Blitz. Here you can find different topics to solve your issue. You can explore through it. If you still cannot find solution to your problems, and you want to talk to the contact support team, here you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now choose this contact support option over here, and here you can select your issue first and select your subject, enter your email address, and explain the problems you are facing. If you have any screenshots, you can upload them over here, and after entering all these details, you can tap on the submit button and the support team will respond to you via email. So that's it. That's how you can contact support on Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.